Hey guys, welcome to Mexico City. More importantly, welcome to Condesa. And I'm gonna take you to my favorite 3 taco places here in Condesa. Now, these places are kind of more what you would call like a hole-in-the-wall restaurant. They're not tacos in the street because I didn't want to show you places and then not be there later. And I didn't want to take you to big, expensive restaurants because, well, tacos in these, hole-in-the-wall restaurants are way better to me. So I'm gonna take you to my favorite 3 places, and these are probably the places I eat at the most. With the exception of I do order Senor Taco quite a bit to my apartment because it's quick, fast, and I normally get my tacos in like 20-25 minutes on Rappi. But these are my favorite 3 restaurants, so let's go. Okay, starting at spot number 1 is the place that I've eaten at probably the most since I've been here. It's really close to my apartment. It's probably maybe a 5-minute walk from where I live at here in Condesa. And since the year I've been here, I probably eat here a couple times a week. So the easy way to find it is you can Google just where the Converse store is in Condesa, and literally it's right down from here. So I've never really known the name, but it is apparently El Sabor de Hidalgo. And this is where I eat at almost probably 2 or 3 days a week. Okay, I'm here at my favorite place now. They know me very well here. And ¿qué tiene dos tacos bistec, sin aceite, con verduras y aguacate, por favor? Okay, so I'm getting 2 beefsteak tacos, which are like they're a meat taco. We're gonna get the vegetables, and we're gonna get avocado, and I'm getting it without oil because this is a place I can eat at pretty healthy. So you'll see when I come out. Qué rico.
¿Queso?
Sin queso, por favor.
¿Queso no? ¿Con maíz?
Sí, maíz, por favor. So most of the time here, there are some places that offer flour tacos and tortillas. But most of the time, I mean, you want to do corn. If you want to eat flour, just go to the U.S. But so these are, like I said, they're a beef taco. That's probably what I'm gonna get at one of the other restaurants I'm gonna show you. I'm a beefsteak fan. There's some very exotic tacos that you can eat here. That I've had brain and tongue and everything else. But they've got pretty good menu here. So we got hamburgers, tacos, enchiladas. Come on, sí, vendedores, por favor. And anyway, it's been my number 1 place to eat here, so can't wait to get my tacos. The thing I can't stress enough is that when you eat your tacos, one of the most important things is to take your lime and get you a big squeeze down on your tacos. Yeah. Absolutely incredible. So guys, this is actually the very first place I ate tacos in Mexico City. So this is my second favorite taco place. One of the cool things about this place is they make these incredible onions they put on their tacos. So I'm gonna have one here in a second, but this place is called Nosh Castilla. And I'm gonna add all the locations to these restaurants below. But again, this is probably, it is hard between number 1 and number 2 because the onions here make these so great. The other place is probably better to go eat at before a date. This place is probably better to eat at when you can actually go brush your teeth after. But it is absolutely delicious. In construction. All right, so I'm gonna show you how the proper way to eat these things. So you gotta make sure, get some vegetables on here, and make sure you check the salsa first, okay? Because some of it's very, very picante in Mexico, okay? Then, put your lemon. And this is what makes these so incredible here, are their onions. Okay. Salud. He said salud. Okay, I am here with Susanna, and she has something to tell you.
Please come eat our tacos.
I eat them all the time. Okay, so the last restaurant we're going to stop to, this is number 3 on the list of our taco tour, is Khal Mom. This is another restaurant here in Condesa, and I think they've got the best alambres that I've had, especially bang for buck in terms of the price in the city. So, you know, a lot of these restaurants I've taken you to, not only are they really, really good, they're really, really affordable, and the cost is very similar to what you're going to get on the street tacos, and it's not going to be as expensive as a regular sit-down restaurant. So my favorite thing on the menu here is the Alambres Hawaiiana, and it has chorizo, chicken, ham, onions, and bell peppers in it. It is delicious. So it still comes, you know, with tacos. So the only difference between Alambres and regular tacos is the fact that it comes mixed together, more of like what we would call a fajita back in the United States. But the guys here are hilarious. We always have a good time. And one of the guys here is a buddy of mine who speaks English, so I get to come up here and practice my Spanish. But definitely come check these guys out if you're in the city. I hope you guys enjoyed the taco tour. I hope you get a chance to go to all the places I recommended here in Condesa. Don't always just go to the really expensive looking places, and come check out some of the more off the beat these spots. But I'm gonna have all the information in the description below for all the places. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you appreciated we have a singer here. If you appreciated my videos and you like what I'm doing, please hit subscribe and follow the rest of the adventures I'm gonna be taking around Mexico and wherever else I decide to go to next. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Bye.